Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We got a couple of beautiful scrape agitated liquifiers on the floor here today. This particular one we're showing you is a Walker. It is 316 stainless steel on its contact surfaces. It is fully jacketed. Has the scraper agitator as you can see, and of course the large impeller with the fins on it. Large Nord drive up top, running smooth and quiet. Hasn't been cleaned yet, of course. We're going to take to that. We've already pressure tested the jacket at 60 pounds. It's a national board rated jacket. There are 3 zones to the jacket. You'll see we have 2 zones on the side, the inlets and outlets there, and of course on the bottom. We're waiting for documentation from the factory. It was furnished to us without the drive on here, which is probably a 60 to 100 horsepower drive. So we're going to be looking into replacing that as well. Or you can do it if you choose to buy that. So he has internal temperature probe down the bottom, large discharge, still got pressure in the jacket right now. You'll see this on our website under our mixers miscellaneous category. We do hope you'll visit us at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.